Hello, today's game is designed to practice ordering and comparing decimal numbers. Through this game, kids will intuitively and practically learn how to order decimal numbers, compare them, and understand the place value of digits in decimals. For this game, we need several players and a set of number cards. Each player will also need a piece of paper and a pen to write down their numbers. Each player will be given cards for 9 rounds, and they must use them to form decimal numbers between 0 and 1. The goal is to place the numbers in the correct positions so that by the end of the game, they have a sequence of numbers in ascending order. Essentially, each player creates decimal numbers between 0 and 1. In every round, they receive 3 number cards and must use these cards to form a decimal number with 3 decimal places. There is also a trash bin drawn next to the paper. If a player receives cards that cannot be placed in their sequence, they must discard them into the trash bin. At the end of the game, the player with the fewest discarded cards wins. Let's start the game. In the first round, each player receives 3 number cards. Example, player 1 gets the cards 7, 6, and 4. Now, they must decide how to arrange these digits to form a decimal number between 0 and 1 and where to place it on their paper. At this point in the game, player 2 receives the cards 3, 2, and 3. No matter how they arrange them, they cannot fit these numbers into their sequence. So, they must discard all 3 cards into the trash bin and lose 1 round. The game continues in the same manner. When all players have received their cards for 9 rounds, the game ends. The player with the most discarded cards, who has created the most waste, loses the game. The player with the fewest discarded cards wins. This game helps children understand the order of decimal numbers and their value. If you enjoyed this game, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more fun math games.